Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that uh, on your WhatsApp. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click here or manage down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next. So you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you click here on marketing, you just click on it. It's going to show for your list like this here. Click here on email marketing. So then it's going to take you to next step here, just waiting to open with you. Click here on edit this template, just click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. And here can you so edit it in this list like this here. So when you're down, just click here on next here. Then automatically it's going to save in with you here, and can you publish it or share it here in next step here. Also, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.